Hi. Yes, I can hear you and I can see you now.
Lovely,
Yes.
lovely.
So all your fans have been waiting and I have been on the chat and they are like, where is Radhika? Where is
I'm
Radhika?
so
Where is
sorry. I'm so
Radhika?
sorry.
So
I
please
missed
first of all say a
the
big hi to all your fans who've been waiting for you since so long.
Thank you so much, guys, for waiting. Yes, let's start.
Let's start. So as I was talking about the quarantine period, how are you dealing with it? Is it very frustrating? Is it getting on to you now? Or how do you start your day? What's the
Look,
routine?
I'm learning something new every single day. So, I keep myself busy with that. Learning piano, and writing, and learning tap dancing online. I've been there for quite a few courses, so I have to practice it. Um, and that's how I'm keeping myself busy. Right? So I know there's a lot happening outside, but it's really important to keep our mental health in mind because things get overwhelming. So just
Yes.
keeping check on that, and yeah, that's how my day is usually.
So are you like waking, sleeping late, your Netflix binging and things like that, or has your routine like totally gone upside down, or how is it like still the
My
same?
routine is improved. Like I'm sleeping early. Of course, I'm binge watching. That is that is out of the question. That is
Yes.
what's happening. But I'm sleeping early. I'm getting up early. I never used to do that. So my routine is actually improved.
Let's talk about Angrezi medium, Radhika. It was very unfortunate that all this happened the day the movie hit theaters. How was the feeling like when that Friday when you were like really expecting things to be positive and then this news comes? How did you guys deal with it? Like what was the thought process?
So it wasn't expected. Like nobody was expecting it at all. And whatever happened, it wasn't in our control. And I believe that whatever has
Yes.
happened, it's beyond all of us. Like it's way bigger than all of our individual interests, and we can't do anything about it. Yeah. And at the end of the day, we need people to entertain the audience. And right now, it's on the
Yeah.
OTT platform. We
Yeah.
just
So
want to entertain them, and that's why we
कैसा
decided that we will just release it there.
कैसा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है ओटीटी पे आर यू गेटिंग लाइक गुड रिस्पॉन्स ऑब्वियसली there's not like personal response anymore, so whatever you getting must be getting on your over your SMSs or on your social media pages. What has been the response like?
The response has been really overwhelming. It has been great. So yeah, just really, really overwhelming.
You shared screen space with Irfan Khan in this film. Any one particular scene which you can think of which really was very difficult, or you got intimidated by him or anything like that?
It, like I think Irfan is the easiest actor to work with because you just have to react. So you don't get
Yes.
intimidated by such people. It's like it just makes your work really easy. So, but there are two scenes I believe which were really really special. One will have to be in the first half where I'm crying in the bathroom and he's standing outside and
Yes.
I tell him that and
Yes.
I also cried. I was really special and the other one will be the climax. The song that we have in the car. Uh, these two scenes are like really special to me.
So a lot of people I'm seeing have been asking you over here, Radhika, over the live chat, that are you going to do Meri Ashiki 2 by any chance? A lot of people are having that bizarre idea. You want to clarify on that something?
Like the makers
Because they
are
really want
not
to see you
planning to
back.
make it. They're not making it, so I can't say anything.
But I think people are really expecting you to come back on TV and see more of you every day, probably on a daily soap and not just one film or seeing you in movies. Any plans of coming back to television?
Look, I always say that never say never. And for me,
Yes.
it's all about just living life and playing the characters, be it any
Right.
platform. It's not कि अरे मैं तो अब मूवी भी करूँगी and oh God, what is this character? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I will, platform doesn't matter. Even if OTT platform will work. So
हाँ.
I just want to play different characters. I just want to play characters that excite me. So that is what I think.
So what is on the plate right now for you? Or like
We
any
are done with
movies which
Siddharth. we're already done with the shoot, and
Yeah.
that's what's next. It's a love story. I think it's something that I haven't done. The audience hasn't seen me in yet. So just wanted to offer them a different flavor, and
Okay.
that's sunny, and everything is a bit like that. So that's what's next. Oh,
So Radhika, how
sorry. Yeah, sorry.
you were saying something.
So that is it. Yeah. Continue.
So I was asking, how are you managing your fitness routine? You know, being in this profession, obviously you need to keep fit. So how are you, managing? You can't step out to two gyms, of course. So what's the schedule like at home? What all do you
I
do?
do yoga. I do yoga. I do tabatas. In tabatas, you just need to work out for like 4 minutes. Yeah, it's just easy,
Yeah.
easy, walk and talk. Whenever I'm watching Netflix on phone, I watch Netflix on phone. So whenever I'm binge watching a show, I'm just walking and just
You
watching the
walking?
show. So just
Okay.
keeping myself active.
Okay. And what about your diet? Obviously, because things are not readily available in the market now, and anything you are facing trouble with, or your diet plans have gone off, or just the regular stuff.
तो रेगुलर है आई एम
सब खा रहे
दाल
हैं.
चावल पर्सन मैं बिल्कुल फैंसी नहीं हूँ मुझे कुछ
Okay.
मेरे लिए इजी है आई थिंक एवरीबडी कैन सर्वाइव ऑन दाल चावल सब्जी एंड
Yes,
आई
I
थिंक
think
दिस
that's what we're
इज
surviving on
एवरीथिंग
right now.
आई नो इससे हेल्दी भी कुछ
Yeah.
नहीं है you keep everything in check it's nutrition and मतलब ऐसी नीचे लगा पूरी सी bread and pizza it's just not right now because I have started valuing food so much. Like, like when I read the news or anything like that, I started valuing every bite that I eat. So I can't be this fussy about,
Choosy.
oh God,
Yeah.
this brand is just not available, the cafe is just not available. I can't be this person. I'm thankful for every single bite that I eat. So for me, it's
Right.
dal, nothing else.
So are you consuming news a lot, Radhika, in this time? Because a lot of people are like, इतना सुनोगे तो negative impact पड़ता है. So it's better, shut yourself off and just be at home. Are you one of those, or you are keeping a tab on whatever is going on?
So I'm aware कि what are precautions you need to take. And that is it. Then I cut off. I really believe in that कि आपका negative impact पड़ता है. इतना देखो जितना जरूरत है. And then just cut off and work on yourself. That is it. That is what I'm doing.
Also, are you someone who's already in pajamas at home, or do you like for a change? Because आप लोग के profession में क्या होता है, we step out and we of course every day we get ready and we get out for shoots or anything. But right now that's not happening. So do you dress up at home at times just to feel that okay, things are fine, only in pajamas?
I am not going to show you what I'm wearing.
Yeah, we have seen a lot of memes while video conferencing. People are wearing blazers and नीचे shorts होते हैं.
Exactly.
That's the
What
case.
else can do? I love life. Just, I love digital things. I'm like, just wear whatever I feel like.
Any message you want to give your fans, Radhika? They have been saying hello since a very long time. Anything you want to tell them? A lot of people want them to take your name.
I just want to say that thank you so much of love. It's so overwhelming, and I'm so thankful to each and every one of you. I keep reading your comments, I just keep reading your messages or the memes that you make or the collages that you make. And it gets tough to reply to each one of you, but I do try. But I just want to say to listening to me that thank you for everything. Thank you for giving me so much of love. And yeah, I love each and every one of you.
Also, Radhika, I just want to know, how do you think that the current situation in India, the way we are dealing with Corona, do you think that we are going fine, or do you think the government could have done something differently, or where we stand today, probably things would have been a little bit under more control as compared to what it is right now, or you think it's fine? They're doing a decent job.
Doing its best. We can't say that
Yeah.
they're not doing. Awareness is needed, definitely. but we, like, the other day I saw Salman's video message to everybody.
Yes.
If you've seen, like, they're just making everybody
Yes.
aware. It's not that क्या तुम्हें बांध दिया गया है या टॉर्चर करे तुम्हें. It's for our own benefit. So the sooner we realize, the sooner we'll be out of it. So that awareness needs to be there, and that is it.
Are you associated with any social program or any camps? People, a lot of celebs are coming out and donating to the needy. And are you also associated with any such platform? You want to give some message for that?
You need to do your own bit. Like what we do is, like, in our building, we're taking turns to feed our guards. Like breakfast will go from our house.
A lot of people are doing.
So that is what you're doing. It's not about donating X number of amount or whatever. Do whatever little you can. Like for my house, for my driver, I had bought them masks or sanitizers or vitamins or whatever. I've made them aware that this is what you need to do, because they don't know, they're not aware. We're still on social media, we keep reading, but they're not aware. So I'm doing my bit of educating my driver or my house help so that they can educate their family, and just feeding them and feeding as many people as I can. That is all I'm doing. So just do your little bit. It's not about, I just want to tell people that it's not about comparing it to X person or Y person. It's just about doing your little bit. That is it.
Yes.
And your little bit can also be staying at home.
Correct.
That is it.
So I see people asking about the song Kudi Nu Nachne De. Fantastic dancing, Radhika. I myself loved it. I just thought that you didn't even realize the camera is on and you were like just going. Yes. So how is the experience like?
I had a blast. I didn't care about anything. Like, me and Joel, the choreographer, we went mad. Nothing was choreographed. Like, if you see the nuances or everything, of course we thought about few nuances, but half the things were done on set. So we just came and I was like, Joel, I'm trying this, and Joel was like, Radhika, just try this and go mad.
So you're saying it was not choreographed at all and you were just given an open hand.
Of course it was choreographed. Just little nuances.
That was the additional.
Yeah, the mimicry of actors and everything. Of course we thought about doing a few things, but like the shadows, the Salman, it just came on set and it was all.
So have you always been like that as a child, to mimic these actors? When you were young, you used to do that?
We follow dialogues somewhere मेरे को वैसे रोल नहीं है, but I am a big Bollywood buff. तो नाज अपना रखी थी है मुझे. So that kind of works. So yeah, it was there. We just went crazy. We just had the song and we were like, okay, let's do this, let's do that. We didn't have time, otherwise we would have done much more.
We saw a lot. I think that was a fantastic song, and the idea of you being in the uniform and not like standing out amongst the glamorous girls who were dancing behind was just fantastic. It was very well incorporated.
Thank you.
So Radhika, before we end this chat, I'm going to do a quick rapid fire with you, which is what do you want to do after the lockdown? Okay, everything post the lockdown scenario. All right, so let's start. What is the first thing you'll do after lockdown is over?
I would go back to Delhi and hug my mom.
One thing about the lockdown you will miss when it's over?
I think the time, I think there was silence outside. There's something calming about it. So yeah, that is what I miss. The traffic का कोई noise नहीं है.
कोई horns नहीं.
It's just that calmness.
Okay. Your first trip will be to which place?
Delhi, to meet my parents.
To meet your parents, okay. If it's a holiday, then what? After Delhi, if you have to proceed for a holiday, which holiday destination will you go to?
My best friend is getting married, so probably we're going to plan a bachelorette. So I'll leave it up to her. That's going to be your next trip for her. So whatever she decides.
Okay. First film you'll watch after the lockdown? You'll catch up on which film?
whatever
Is released.
nobody has any.
I think people are going to rush to theaters. जो लगी है वही सब. I think everyone will go.
Like whenever it's safe, like when it's safe and good to go, then we're gonna go.
Okay. First restaurant you will go to eat your favorite food.
I would want to eat dosa. I miss dosa.
Okay. First person you will meet after lockdown. I think you've already said your mother. But after your mother, first person when you're in Bombay, who will that person be?
Sanya Malhotra.
Okay. Thank you so much, Radhika. Any last message you want to give your fans about the lockdown to be safe? Anything you want to tell them from your end?
I just want to say that just stay indoors, stay at home, be with your family, work on yourself. We've got this time, let's think it in a positive light. I know a lot of things are happening outside. Let's just disconnect from that for a second and just, if you can't, I believe that if you can't go out, let's go in.
Thank you so much, Radhika, for joining us on Spotboy. Please take care of yourself and everyone around you. Lovely talking to you.
Lovely
Thank
talking to
you.
you. See you.
Bye. See you.